Hello everyone, this is Nandini from CAD NEST Nagar. In today's session we are going to continue with the remaining modifying tools. So next modifying tool we are learning today is rotate option. So take up a shape or a plan. Now select this and then take up rotate option. As we have specified a base point for move and copy, in the same way a base point for the rotation also should be specified before rotating any object. So I am taking this as an end point and I am rotating it. You can see my rotate option is being working here. Either you can manually rotate it like this or you can specify the angle. So right now I'll specify the angle of 45 degree, enter. You can see from this direction 45 degree it has run in an anti-clockwise direction. Next, after this, in the same way I'll just take up the same component whichever it is being present here, and I'll take rotate option. This was like rotating, keeping one point at a fixed end and rotating entire object, and next one is like rotating the object at the same point like this. So this is one more rotating method of any object. So this is rotate option in modifying tool, and short key for this is RO enter. RO enter is a short key for rotate option. And after rotate option we have mirror option. So mirror, select the component, take mirror option, and as that of rotate, copy and move we used to specify base point, but here we used to define the axis. In the sense, if I need to define something to my left or right, in the sense I need to draw vertical axis like this, or if I need to define something at top or bottom, in a sense I need to specify horizontal axis. Like take up mirror option and then I'm gonna select horizontal axis like this, so that I'll be getting a mirrored object in top or bottom view. So this is about mirroring particular terms. I need any angular mirror, in the sense if I need diagonally or in an angle mode also, in an angle mode, in the sense that is also possible. Just select the object, go to mirror and then draw axis from this end to this end. In whichever angle you need, you can just specify the mirror term. So if I need a mirror in this position, in the sense I'll be drawing my axis here. So this is how we create mirror option. I hope you have understood today's session, and in the upcoming classes we'll be dealing with further modifying tools. Thank you.